Hello, welcome back. My name is Mukhtar, and for today, I want to share about Define a Path. Define Your Path is a sequel of Programmer's Journey. The first one is what is the first step to be a programmer. So please consider to subscribe my channel and like if you enjoy this video or dislike if you don't like this video, and please write the comments if you have interesting topic to discuss with. I hope you have an amazing day. So without further ado, let's get started. Define a path. I divided to three sections is now goals and strategy. Now, before we begin, I I think we should know the basic knowledge of what is the algorithm, what is the programming tools, what is the specs of your computers to build an application or website, what is the programming languages, what is the mobile apps, where it's different with the websites, and what is the development. Here's the algorithm. What is the algorithm? I think the algorithm is the basic of programming. I get it. Now I get it from Google Translate. Algorithm. A process or set of rules to be followed by calculation or other problem-solving operation, especially by a computer. There's some more than three software to build an application, of course, but in this session I just mentioned the three that I currently use to building some website or mobile apps. The first one is Visual Studio Code and XMPP for website, and Android Studio for building an Android apps. Now goals. Before we begin to building some application, I think we should or we must set our goals. So we do need to invest our time and our resources to building some applications. So you must set your goals of what you will try to accomplish. For the example, portfolio. If you're building some application or website, it can be your portfolio to, let's say you have a company or you have a personal website. You can show what your application and what your partners solving problems. This is just an example of Gojek. I think it is great. Building application means a lot if you're solving some problems. For the example is Gojek. Founded by principles solving everyday challenges with technology, the Gojek app has evolved from offering just ride hailing to suit more than 20 servers a day. That the Gojek is, I think, it is solving problems. You can, how do I say? We can order some personal driver. If you want to go there, and etc. And if you want some food, you can order to the restaurant, and the restaurant is delivering your food with Gojek apps and etc. Monetization. At the end of the day, I think you should or you must think about the business model or the monetization. So you can make money of your applications or websites. Yeah, it is both business model, and are you put your ads in your application, or you create by in-app purchase, people will like it, and it is good for environment. last but not least is strategy. Strategy. There's a four plan I mentioned if you want to follow. The first one is basic knowledge that I already mentioned earlier. The second is algorithm. You need to start learning about algorithm. And the third is hello world or try your code. And four is building your app. About this plan, divided to two sections. Is the first one is basic and the second one is do. The basic is focus topic. Uh, Forget about the technology or something else. You need to focus on your topics about the basic knowledge, algorithm, and logics. Do try some code, build some apps. Uh, I divided to web and the mobile. The website is the website. There's a common tools, Notepad, or another text editor like Visual Code that I mentioned earlier, and XMPP to build your website into your local computers. Language I recommend you start with HTML, PHP for logics, CSS for styling, and MySQL for database. And mobile tools understood for building Android or NetBeans Eclipse, and Xcode to build some iOS. Language Java, Kotlin, Swift, React Native, and etc. I think that's all for today. Define a path is maybe you may choose to be web developer or mobile developer, or you can do both mobile and web developer. And yeah, and again, please consider to subscribe my channel and like if you enjoy this video, dislike if you don't like this video, and please write a comment if you have interesting topic to discuss with. And yeah, see you in the next video.